guys, happy Vlogmas day number 16. I can't believe it's day number 16. Anyway, today is officially foil course launch day and I'm so excited. I have everything ready to go, but we're not launching it until like 6 p.m. tonight because if there's any issues or anything, I wanted James to be home from work so he could help me with them, because last time we launched a course, emails didn't go out like they were supposed to, and thankfully he was off that day and we were able to fix the issue pretty quickly. But he's obviously at work today, so I was like, I don't want to launch it in the middle of the day when he's not here to help me, because he does all the back end stuff of the website for our courses. I don't handle any of that. He does all of that. So I was just like, you know what? I don't want to launch that without him being here to help me with that. So that's happening today. I've uploaded yesterday's vlog, so I've got that going. And I've also finished everything for the course, so that's ready to go. And now I can just sit and design stickers all day, which I'm so excited about. I'm so excited to just have like a design day. There's so many things I want to put up in the shop and I'm excited. So it is currently 11:06 and I'm starting designing, and I'll probably just design pretty much the entire afternoon. I'm also kind of like cleaning here and there because the house is a disaster. But you know what, that happens sometimes, and I'm just trying to put it back together. So I currently have the dishwasher going and the washing machine going, and I'll probably like here and there clean and whatever, but for the most part today is dedicated to designing. I don't have any orders, I don't have anything like that going on, so I'm just designing, and then when James gets home we will launch the foil course. And yeah, I'm really excited, but I'm also just kind of nervous. Like anytime you put a lot of hard work into something and you launch it, you get nervous, you know? So but it's gonna be great. I'm excited. So anyway, that is what I'm doing. I'm just gonna sit and design and design and design and design. Okay guys, I was making sure that my sizes were correct for the, what is this? The 8.5 by 11 planner. And I'm so excited. So all that works. So now I just need to continue working on everything. I actually wrote out all the kits that I want to get designed today. And I think they should be pretty easy, as I've already done this one. I just have to do the add-ons to that, which won't take that long. And then I already have the sizes for the Happy Planner, but I need the size for the A5 inserts that I'm going to be working on. And then I think I've done the March 7 by 9 monthly, but I can't remember, so I'm gonna have to look on my computer. And then I need to work on the budget layout that I want. So yeah, but those are all the ones that I want to get done today. And here is everything that I've been working on for this coming release. I don't know if I'll get these kits done, but I'm hoping I can at least get like all of these things done. And then obviously my Hello Spring kit's already done. I really want to get a ton of stuff designed for Friday because it'll be like our last release of 2020, and it would just be so nice to have a ton of new things in the shop for you guys. I feel like I've been slacking on releasing a ton of stuff lately. Normally I'm like releasing $2 Tuesday stuff, and then I'm having new releases at least every other week. And just the end of the year is just like, it's just crazy because mixed with like all just being busy in your own life, but then busy with like work related stuff, trying to launch a course, getting through Black Friday, just getting through like, and I hate to be like getting through because I don't want to live my life in the mindset of like I'm just getting through, but like getting through winter for me is just really difficult. So it's just I feel like it's just a struggle for me, and I know it is for a lot of people. Just I don't like winter, but it's okay. It's not even technically winter yet, but we're gonna get through it. It's gonna be fine. But I just feel like this time of year is always a little bit harder for me. But then also vlogging every day and getting those up, it does take time away from me designing stickers. So I just feel like I've been slacking in my sticker game lately, and I've just not really been updating my Instagram, and I've just not been on top of my game. Okay guys, it is a while later, but I have designed so many things, which I'm really, really proud of. So I'm gonna show you guys some of them because why not? So I finally came up with a budget kit. I am not like a budgeter on paper. I do keep track of my business stuff, but I normally keep track of that like in QuickBooks or like not on paper. So I'm definitely not really a budgeter per se, but this is what I came up with, and I think it's going to be really good. I'm really excited about it. So I came up with a March one that matches the monthly kit, like the functional monthly kit, and they also came up with a February one that also matches. So that's exciting. I've actually crossed off several things on this list. I don't know if I'm going to release the A5 monthlies just yet, but I am going to work on them, and then I have to do the budgeting kits for the 8.5 by 11. But then once I get that done, I'm basically done with like these functional monthly kits. But I do know from what I've seen from other people, there's more to budgeting kits than just like this style thing. There's like sinking funds, and there's all these different things. So I do want to add those things, but I've got to like do more research into like what exactly you track with all of that. So let me know if you're big into budgeting, what kind of stickers you would want to see come to the shop, because I do want to provide that. Like I love the idea of it. I just, you know, don't really do that. That's not like my system, you know. So let me know what your system is, what works for you, and what you would like to see come to the shop. So we just launched the foil course. Emails just went out. The course is live. We got it done. I don't know what, what are you doing? I don't know. Anyway, now just,
stand up.
This is what I have to put up with all day. So now it's time to go to church and film for Children's Church. So we have to go do that, and then we also have to stop by the grocery store. So yeah. Still stuff to do, but I wanted to let you guys know the course is live, even though you won't actually see this until after the fact, but it is live. So if you're watching this video and you're interested in it, make sure to go check that out. But now we need to go film some videos. Let's do this. All right, you ready?
I'm ready.
Advent time, Advent time, Advent time.
Dixie's ready.
Dixie's ready. Also, I want you guys to know we were in the car on the way home from filming at church, and James was singing that song. So, yeah. Is it 15?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Is it going to be a red one, a white one, or a green one?
Probably green.
You got it right. I keep getting the green one.
That's why I said green.
Hopefully you'll get one soon. I know, Dixie, I know. Whoa!
Whoa! It's an orange Tyrannosaurus. Ah!
Well, that was disturbing. That's gonna wrap up today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to click subscribe as well as that bell notification, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I'm like cutting James's head off, it's fine.
That's okay, it's big enough.
And we will see you guys tomorrow for another fun day of Vlogmas. Bye guys!